Next, I would like to invite upon stage Major General A.K. Chaturvedi ji. He is a retired officer. एक बार जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत हो जाए मेजर जनरल A.K. चतुर्वेदी जी का.
मेजर जनरल A.K. चतुर्वेदी भारतीय सेना के वेटरन हैं, जिन्होंने डिफेंस इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइकोलॉजिकल रिसर्च से इंटरव्यूइंग टेक्निक्स में डिप्लोमा किया है. आपने इंजीनियर रेजिमेंट में कमांडेंट एवं असिस्टेंट चीफ ऑफ इंटीग्रेटेड डिफेंस स्टाफ इन डिफेंस इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसी जैसी महत्वपूर्ण पदों को भी संभाला है. इन्होंने वाटर अ सोर्स ऑफ फ्यूचर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स, न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी इन इंडियाज एनर्जी सिक्योरिटी मैट्रिक्स एंड अप्रेजल, रोल ऑफ पाकिस्तान इन इंडियाज एनर्जी सिक्योरिटी जैसी बहुत सी प्रेरणादायक बुक्स भी लिखी है. द एलिफेंट अवेक्स, स्ट्रैटेजिक रिफ्लेक्शंस 2023 उनकी हाल में प्रकाशित बुक है. भारतीय सेना में अपनी सेवा के दौरान मेजर जनरल A.K. चतुर्वेदी जी को 4 बार राष्ट्रपति द्वारा सम्मानित किया गया है.
टीम सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी, सबसे पहले मैं बहुत मशकूर हूँ कि आज आपने मुझे ये मौका दिया कि मैं स्टूडेंट से बात कर सकूँ और मेरे प्यारे स्टूडेंट्स. टुडे व्हेन आई वाज जस्ट सिटिंग एंड थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, वी हैव गॉट अ माइंडसेट, एंड दैट माइंडसेट इज देश के लिए मर मिटना चाहिए. आई एम रिमाइंडेड ऑफ अ कोट बाय वन ऑफ द best known modern day journal. His name was, he was an American journal, and his name was George C. Patton. And he said in a very subtle manner something which should be the watchword for everyone who decides to join armed forces. He said, no BAS, blip, 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 has ever won a war by simply dying for his nation. Wars are won by making other poorer BAS, blip, 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 die for their respective countries. So therefore, aim of anyone who joins armed forces should not be to die for the country. That's the end state. And lucky are those who get that state. Aim should be to win the war. And that is where I would like to say the first thing. Selection and maintenance of aim. In life, it is most important that you select aim of your life, and after due deliberation and discussion and thought. You know what is important? And once you have selected your aim, go steadfast on that. So therefore, the first quality which any service officer should have is selection and maintenance of aim. Never ever lose time, because losing 1 minute of yours may lead to loss of much more time. Third thing is, for those who wish to join armed forces, you got to be fearless. Fear should not be part of your dictionary at all. And you know, it is part of our scriptures also. You know, one in Bhratari Smriti. I hope you all know the difference between Shruti and Smriti, but anyway, that is a discussion for some other time. There is a shlok which says, Ninda tuniti nipuna. Even if knowledgeable people not please you, they do not appreciate you, Yaduva stuvantu, or they keep praising you. Lakshmi samavishatu gacchatu vatheshtam. Whether money comes to you or does not come to you. Marano vastu ade vayugantareva. If the death comes today or many, many years later, Nyayat patha pravchalati padam narira. One who is fearless, whose feet never tremble. And he goes towards his aim fearlessly. Just reading what was said about martyr Manoj Pandey. You know, when he went for that Kalubar, it's not that he went to die. He went to capture that. And he said that even before I achieve my aim, if death comes, I'll kill the death. And that is what the aim should be for every soldier. There are two things which are very important, which you have to inculcate. One is attitude and second is aptitude. You know, Kennedy long back said a very interesting thing. He said, most people see things the way they are and ask why. Most people see things the way they are and ask why. I see things the way they should be and ask why not. That is the difference between a negative attitude and a positive attitude. You know, मुश्किलें तो आएंगी. क्या मुश्किलें कम हो जाएंगी? कभी जिंदगी में कम नहीं होती हैं. If things are easy, then there is a trap. There's some problem. It is if you are prepared to accept them and prepare yourself for that, then you will be successful. Learning new things is another very, very important thing. Never be shy of learning. Never be shy of learning. And a very, very important aspect of life is that when you chalk out a plan for your life, you should be prepared for all eventualities. And your decision should be full and final. It just cannot be happen in a day. So take your time. Military history, there is a battle of Catherine Pass. And that time, German Wehrmacht had a very, very competent general, mercurial general, General Erwin von Rommel. So Rommel read all his publications, books related to him, and used to keep his photograph next to his bed. And after Battle of Catherine Pass, which is in today's Morocco, he defeated Rommel, and that's the time, that day he put the photograph down. And he says, Rommel, you magnificent BAS, blip, 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 I had read a book. So therefore, you can be successful only if you start thinking like this. What is your adversities? If you think that adversities are okay, jayega dekha jayega. No. You should be prepared for it. So therefore, all those who see adversities in advance, they look for an opportunity, and that is linked to first point which I said, attitude. Last but not the least is the physical fitness. Some people may say, यार physical fitness से क्या आजकल तो मिसाइल की लड़ाइयाँ होती हैं. नहीं जी, आखिरी के 4 कदम तो धावा कर से ही होते हैं. याद रखना, चाहे वो कारगिल की लड़ाई हो, चाहे आने वाली, especially in Indian context. Another important part of young age is that you are able to put in a lot of hard work. If you are physically not fit, 1 घंटे के बाद नींद आने लगेगी, पेट में दर्द होने लगेगा. So therefore it is important that you should be physically fit always and every time. And the last point which I would like to say, never ever shy away from trying new things. These are the most important lessons of life which you all must learn, and success will be yours in case if you do it. Never feel ever. Human body is capable of much more than what human mind thinks. And you have to explore those depths of your mind to come out successful. Thank you for inviting me to speak to you all. God bless you all. Do well and be successful. Jai Hind.